Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, you're probably curious if the Enduro Engineering mountain bike chainsaw mount will attach to a specialized Levo comp alloy or maybe any of the other specialized Levo bikes. The answer is yes. One small modification you have to do to get this to work is trim the upper handlebar mounts. As you can see, the handlebars that come with this bike are too big for the supplied upper mounts. So you just trim the tangs off and then they'll fit just fine. And then just one other tip, there's two supplied lower stem brackets, a long and a short. And for this bike, you need to use the short. Other than that, this thing mounted just fine. I didn't have any issues. I hope this helps someone and have a good day.